Hello everyone, today shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 3. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 cm square and volume is 900 cubic centimeter. Let us find. We know that volume of cuboid, we know that volume of a cuboid, we know that volume of a cuboid, volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth, length into breadth into height. And we also know that length into breadth is base area into height. Length into breadth is base area, that is base area into height, and that is equal to volume of the cuboid, right? Now volume of the cuboid is given as 900 cubic centimeter, therefore 900 is equal to base area is 180 centimeter square, 180 into height. Therefore height can be found out as height is equal to 900 by 180. This zero will cut, and 18 5 the 90, 18 5 the 90. Therefore we are getting height is equal to 5 centimeter. Height is equal to 5 centimeter. Therefore, you can say that the height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. Therefore, you can say that the height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter, and that is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.